guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Safi, and we're all inside and quarantined, and you may be bored and have makeup there, and you never really get a chance to play with it. So I decided to do a look today that you guys can maybe follow and let me know. So yeah, so it looks like a cut crease, but it's really not a cut crease. But yeah, please like and follow me on different platforms. I will put all the information at the end of the video, and maybe you guys can book your girl for grad and different things throughout the year. So bye, and I hope you do enjoy. Hey guys, so I'm going to prime my face. So I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Primer, and I'm just rubbing that in. I'm not going to do any extra priming, seeing that I'm just home and it's just to create a look for you guys to try out. Then I'm firstly going to go in with my James Charles palette using the shade 10% off on the crease there, and I'm buffing it out with the next shade called Code James to get that seamless blend. This is a soft glam, so the objective of this look is to look soft and not, heavy or full. Then in the corners of my crease, I'm using the shade No Beans, and I'm just, buffing it out in the corners of my creases. Now using a flat fluffy eyeshadow brush, it seems to look like I'm cutting my crease, but I'm not cutting my crease. I'm just outlining the shape of my eyelid or crease. So yeah, I'm just patting it. Please make sure at the corner you blend out the primer that you're using for the cut crease. Now I'm going in with the shade Benny and just darken the corners of my crease. Now I'm just patting Work the Room from the Morphe to the 9L palette there. Now I'm just darkening my crease. In case you guys were wondering, the color in the teardux of my eyes is from the Electrify palette, the neon green. Now I'm just concealing my face here, prepare my face for foundation. I'm using the inverse method, so I'm just placing the concealer and now I'm blending it out with a small blending brush. Now I'm using my contour and I'm just contouring my cheekbone, my forehead, and my chin. Now I'm contouring my nose. I'm slowly blending it out with a contour blending brush, and I'm just blend. I like to look hydrated, if that's a thing, but yeah, I may look light, but trust the process and trust me, everything will be looking snatched, natural, and glowing in a few. Now I'm going in with my Fenty foundation, and the areas where I'm looking a bit light, where the concealer is, I'm just going above it with my foundation. What I love about this method is that it gives you more of a natural glow. Natural but realistic glow. As I said, it makes me look hydrated. I don't look pale or too dark. It's just that I use one pump, and one pump covers everything. make sure that that foundation is blended in nicely, and make sure and do on your neck, girls. Make sure your neck, your face, and your chest matches. So I'm just going over with my contour brush with my powder contour and just darkening up that area. I more like a natural contour. I don't like to look overly contoured. I just like to look natural, like that's my natural bone structure. Now I'm just baking, so I'm putting my Sacha Buttercup setting powder underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin, my forehead, and the corners of my cheeks underneath. Now I'm just going over with my Urban Decay Electrify palette and blending that green in, but yet making sure it's popping and that you guys can see it. Now I'm just going to put some black eyeliner underneath my waterline, and I did the most part off camera. I'm brushing off that setting spray off my face, and I'm about to spray some setting spray on to get that glowy effect and let everything come together. Now I'm just putting some eyeliner on my eyes as I create my wing. Steady hands, girls, steady hands. To be honest, I prefer a no wing rather than a wing, but the only way to get better at your wings is practice, practice, practice. So I think my wings came out okay, and now I'm about to pop on some lashes. I'm using the J lash. I love these lashes. It's in a style called Baby Doll, and I'm just popping on some mascara at the bottom of my lashes and making sure everything is looking flawless. Now it's my favorite time to pop some highlight on underneath my eyebrow. So I'm just putting some highlight using the L.A Sunset palette. Yeah, and now I'm just going to pop some on my nose and my nose bridge, but not too much. I like it to look natural yet glowing. I put on blush off camera, and I'm using the same highlight to highlight my cheeks and my cheekbones and making sure that everything is looking glowy. I love to glow like the sun, and I'm popping some on my forehead and my chin. Now I'm about to spray some setting spray again, and I just love setting spray because everything just comes together, and as you can see, I'm looking natural and glowing. Now I'm lining my lips. I can't remember the shade, but I'm lining my lips with a lip pencil, and yeah. Now I'm going in with the shade The Scandal from Kiss New York. It's a kind of a nude lip, and I'm putting a little on my top lip. With this shade, if I put too much in it may make my lips look a bit big. Now I'm going in with my Victoria's Secret gloss just to give it that kind of shiny look. Now I'm just putting in some molds, a little beauty marks. Okay, sis, I think we're done. Let's see the final look.